necessarily just of yet. But as we get more information from some of these communities, we may see more of the damage, and it could be substantial. I mean, it was a Category 4, Category 3 when it hit, and obviously high tide is coming right about noontime down there. So it's a big deal. President Biden, meantime, keeping a close eye on Hurricane Idalia as it hits Florida. His administration pledging its full support for emergency relief to the state. Rich Hudson is live on the North Lawn with more on that part of the story. Rich.
Good morning, Brett. Well, federal officials say they've moved supplies ahead of this storm to states like Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina. The president says he's going to get a briefing today on all this. Also, the White House says the president did speak with Florida Governor Ron DeSantis.
Good evening, TWF fans. Welcome to the Good evening, Thumb Wrestling Federation fans. Tonight we're going to draw Queen Nefercreepy. One of the,
dare do I say, well,
possibly one of Senator Skull's worst fighters I ever met.
no offense, but I know I love Egypt, but
Seeing her victories, that's just, well, I don't know how to explain this.
well, I don't know what kind of tomb they found her in, but she would have been better off on the Dexteras. I mean, they
Taught her their evil ways.
kind of like what they did with the Lost Viking. The only times that she ever lost a fight was against Face Off Phil, Mr. Extremo, Tomcat, and James Montgomery Flagg. Remember those battles?
We just want legal, orderly migration. Every country in the world needs to do that. If we're going to preserve our country, that's what we have to do. Now, as for the human smugglers, the White House says that it's working on disrupting those smuggling routes, working with foreign nations to do that. Back to you.
Which is not in the North Lawn, which thanks. Okay.
There we are. Now we draw the panels on her sides. And done. That is how you draw Queen Nefercreepy from Thumb Wrestling Federation.